What's up, guys? It's your girl, Little Nomster here, and we are back with another episode of Volcano Block, number 3. I have been a little bit busy in between episodes. I got the instability seeds that I needed, and I got those going, and I got the det cord, and I did start a little bit over there with some dust. Right now we need to work on getting some sand. In this episode, I want to essentially get to Chapter 2. If we can get to Chapter 2, we can get trees. Let me double check something here. I just need to double check the Book of the Well. It doesn't have it. Okay, well, anyways, we need to get going. Uses. So if I crush this, I can get sand. And I need 4? Question mark? You may be noticing that I'm talking a little bit of a higher pitch than last time. I am working on self-voice training. And this pitch just feels natural to me. So I'm working on making it my natural pitch. Yeah, I need 4 sand. Let me make 4 pink dye. I can't wait to make storage drawers. I know that sounds odd. I'll just burn a stick. I just need 1. I have been fairly busy in between episodes. So, oops. It gave me 5. That's okay, though. I actually just finished off-camera work. I deleted the potatoes. I was trying to plant beetroot, but it wouldn't work, so I planted carrots over there while I was working on the Eula seeds. Sand! And then this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom! Raw pink composite. My voice squeaked. I'm sorry. So now I just need to make this mysterious mixture, which requires mysterious fertilizer. Oh, I can make that. When used on any sapling, a mysterious tree grows. I forgot to read these. Oh, I didn't have anything. I did get the det cord. Harvest the instabilis plant with your shears to acquire det cord. I did have to enable I had to enable the JEI cheats for a minute, because I was having trouble with these, and I used all my seeds, and I had like 10 seeds, and they all went to waste, because I was trying to figure out how to arrange this so that way the middle one grows. And if I arrange it like this, it's fine. So once I had that figured out, it was all good to go. I just needed a hand, because I ran out of the seeds I needed. Trying to figure this out. So I just used a cheat seed so I could figure this out, and once that was done, I used my remaining seeds to finish, to get it. And that's how I got det cord. So we got that. Mixture. So I hope you guys are doing okay today. I am actually a little bit ahead of schedule. I'm ahead enough that I'm recording this on a Monday and it's going to be popped up Wednesday. So I need this. What does it do, guys? What does it do? Uh-huh. All right. I think I have the stuff. I do! Awesome! So that's done. Ooh, fried egg sandwich. Have you guys ever made an egg sandwich in the microwave? The bowl's hard to clean afterwards, but God, is it yummy. You just put a couple eggs in the bowl and whisk it around with a little bit of salt and pepper and some cheese. Put it on a burger bun. Ah! Magnetic. Sponge. Makes constant hot air when above lava. Maximum temperature 80 degrees Celsius. So we need 4 of these, 2 of these, and 2 of these, which I actually have. Let's get that going. Done. So where does this one go? So this, like this. Boom, boom. That like that. Oh, shit. Actually, well... Sorry if I'm going a little fast, guys. A real blast! Make an explosions furnace to craft for a mech. Make an arrow heater to generate hot air. Well, with my big mouth, I do that enough. Hot, hot, hey, we got it. Hot, hot, oh, we got it. Polar Express is my favorite Christmas movie of all time. Here we've only got one rule, never ever let it cool. Oh, I already had stone cooking. Oops. My bad. We are surrounded by lava. We might as well harness its power, right? It gave me fried eggs. and a handbook of prodigies. On to the next chapter, guys. We did it. Welcome to Chapter 2, Electric Boogaloo! Mmm. Mmm, yummy. It's a book of food. I can do this. What else does it need? That. Chart of the living world. So this is a chance. I do need that. So I gotta make more crystals. I forgot that this was the hard part. Mysterious mixture. There. I have enough of everything. Promise. It's spreading. Ah! No! Now what's missing? Hmm? I dropped it. But where? Oh. So now we just gotta keep on crushing stuff. No! Asshole. Back. Crush. Done. Oops. My bad. Four crystals. Hopefully this is enough. Goody. Got it. Life. Right-click on the ground to breathe life. Yeah! I can make another one too if I wanted. Tree! Guys, look, it's a tree! It's a tree! And we can make crooks! How crooked! Uses. How do I... Oh, I can't do anything with the wood. Not yet. Um... Uses. Sawdust? Okay. Okay, so I know what we gotta do here. Grinder. So what we gotta do is we gotta make the grinder. And I think it's going to have us grind cobble into gravel or something like that and make flint. And then we make the saw, and then we can cut our wood. Yeah, I'm genius. Grinder. Anyone on Grinder? So how many of those do I need? 3. But I only got 2. Aww. Composite. So let's make our crystal first. Not crystal meth, you idiots. Crystal. No, mysterious mixture. Mysterious mix. Do we got it? Oh no, I need that cord. You and you. So this is how it's done. And then I break it. Let me do it one more time. Let me do it a few more times. I like even numbers. There. 12 ought to do us for now. I am so happy about this tree. It's so awesome. It's very nice. Okay, so now we need to make pink composite. P-I-N-K. C-O-M-P. Boom. Done. How many of those did I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need 10 of those. Seven, 9, 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's that. Make that into sand. Tree. Put bone meal in there. 10 of these. Do 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 do. Hi, I'm really excited to get my my stuff. Grinder. So we've got this. This is a part where you get trees. See your Prodigy Tech guidebook. It's gifted at the end of Chapter 1 for more information. Sugar cubes! Dun 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 dun. Cutter. Flint. Gravel. There's one. One, two, three, four. Come on. Drop gravel, Stinky. I mean, Flint. Oh! In this episode of Sky... Not Sky. Volcano Block. Just casually turning gravel into flint. Sawmill. There we go. We're only halfway through the video and we've already got trees. What can I do with you? Absolutely nothing. Muscle bread! Tree! So, right-click a vanilla crafting table with a mallet to turn it into a tetra-type crafting table. Replace the mallet pieces of stone to make it strong enough to break geodes. Same thing here. Time for a dump crate! I'm so happy that we got trees. Aww. CHEST. Trying to find something. Alright. Well... Well, I guess that does it for this episode. I know it isn't a very long episode, but we did get trees! I'm so thankful for that. In between episodes, I'm going to stock up on things like pink composite, crystals, wood. I'm going to stock up on those that we need for these quests. Just to make things a little bit easier. Some of the grindy work, you know? I'm going to do that off camera. I'm going to also stock up on wood. Because why not? I'm just a girl who likes wood. Anyways, I'm also going to create a storage room. Or just storage area in general. Maybe figure out how that thing works. Over there? Oh, over there? You know, that way? The big pink thing. Yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out how the funnels work. So we don't just have, like, a big, tall tower. So, yeah. That does it for this episode. I'm going to be doing things off camera. So, I do have, like... I have, like, 3-4 days to do it. So, if you like it, punch the like button. And hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day and goodbye.